In this episode, we will get and set content with textContent and innerHTML. Both of them provide a different way to read or update content in the DOM. First, let's look at the textContent property, which enables you to read or set the text content of an element in the DOM. By textContent, I'm only referring to the text inside the element and not the HTML tags. In the console, first, let's select this title using document dot query selector. Select the title by using has title. Then use text content property. If you hit enter, we get the heading text. We can also change the text by assigning the string. For example, I will use the up arrow to get the previous command, then assign them to the string. My new title. You can see the heading text is now updated. Now, let's update this heading text to any text written in this input box when we click on this update button. In script.js, we no longer need these for loops, so let me remove them. So we don't need these two variables, so I will remove them as well. If we look at the code, we already have a click event for this update button. However, by clicking the button, it will just change the title color. So I will remove this code as well and then write the code which will update the title text. First, we need to select this input box. So inside the function, add the variable input. Then use document.querySelector and select input. Let's also add this title variable inside this function. Then let's log input.value to the console to see what it returns. So use console.log input.value. Check the preview, type any text in the input, click the update button. You can then see it logs the same text we write in the input box. Now we need to update the title when we click on the button. So add title.textContent equals input.value. Check the preview, type any text and click update button. This time the title gets updated. However, after clicking the button, the text inside the input box is not cleared. To clear them, we need to add input.value equals empty string. Check the preview again. And this time, everything works as expected. Now, let's check the innerHTML property. It gets or sets the actual HTML markup contained within an element. For example, in the console, let's use document.querySelector, select OL tag, and .innerHTML property. If you hit enter, you can see it returns the string of all li elements inside the OL tag. However, if you want to update the elements, you can assign them into the string like add li tag, read a book. If you check the preview, you can see it replaces all list item with just one list item we added over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will change the element attribute. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.